Nowadays, our relationship with our family, friends, spouse, and our loved ones are not that much meaningful. And the reason behind this is the distractions we face in this era of technology and social media. The intimacy has gone, the passion is not that much left. There are many reasons behind this. I am not going into that reason today, but today I am giving you a permanent solution. The secret of a long-lasting relationship is not watching movies together, not doing parties, not going different places or having candlelight dinner. The secret doesn't lies on your financial condition or anything else. Listen, money can give you a comfortable lifestyle, but it can't provide you inner peace. One of the longest researches in art was on happiness, that why some people end up happily having nothing big at all and some messed up having everything they want. So what's the secret behind a happy and fulfilled life? The Harvard study was started in 1938 during Great Depression. That's nearly over 80 years, and the outcome was our relationships with family, spouse, husband or friends determine the quality of our life. And the surprising finding is that our relationship and how happy we are in our relationships has a powerful influence on our health. So now I think you are clear. So now you know making your relationships meaningful will change your life. So how can a relationship be so meaningful? The key lies to having meaningful conversations, not doing anything but sitting in a place together and expressing yourself to the other person and let the other person express themselves too. This thing will be working if you are a good listener. Be patient in listening. Don't just listen to reply, listen to understand. So it's not a very big deal to change your life. Just take time off your busy schedule and sit quietly with the people and just let them open up themselves. You will notice how drastically the relationship between you two changes. The bond between you and the person will be stronger than ever. And remember, people don't need a person who can solve their all problems. They just need someone to listen to them without judging. I guarantee you, after doing this, you will find more value in your life.